Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fadali and this video is about the list in the HTML. And in this video we're gonna learn about these different elements about the list. UL stand for the unordered list, OL stand for the ordered list, and LI standard for the list items. The LI element is used inside the UL or OL. Okay, what is DT? It is a term in the description list, and what is the DD? It describes the term in the description list. I just want to create the three different lists: unordered list, ordered list, and a descriptive list. So first of all, let me just write the unordered list. For the unordered list, you will write UL, and in UL you're gonna write the list item. In the list I want to add coffee. Okay, LI is for the member of the list. Don't get confused over it. So this is an unordered list. Let me just save this file and run it again. Now I just want to create the order list. For that, only thing you need to do here is change the UL to the OL. You just created your order list. Save this file and run it again. You have your order list. And now we are about to create the description list. In description list, you write the DL. Okay, in DL you first write the DT, description term, which is the coffee. Now you're gonna write the DD to describe the term that you have written in the description list. Okay, I just written here the coffee. So what kind of a coffee I want to have right now? Okay, I just want to write black, white. Is there any kind of white cold drink tea? I don't know. I'm just writing some random things here. So let me just save this thing and run the file again. Now we also have the description list. So this is how you write the list in the HTML file. And this is all for this video. And if you really find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.